Hello, it's the 31st of March 2019 and we're back on the island. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
This is your stop.
Hello, we're back at Thorpe Park and we're here with Coasterforce and we're heading to Soar. How's Soar, Tina?
I had a nice ride on Soar.
I didn't.
Fine, yeah.
No, I'm not a fan.
No, I
at
gathered
all.
the language was quite like
Colourful.
Yeah. I don't know what you've got an issue with it. It was fine.
It's not pleasant.
It was all right. We were on the front row. It was fine. Me and Heather were fine. Must have been yours on the inside.
Yeah, probably.
Square wheels on that side. We were fine.
Oh God, no, do not like that coaster.
Go on then, quick, get ahead.
I'm not a fan of Eurofighters anyway, but that's the particularly grim one.
You didn't have to ride it.
True.
What are we on to next anyway?
I don't know, actually. I don't know where we're going. We're just
like
following the crowd, which is right, who wants to go? Yeah, we're heading over towards, I don't know, not sure whether we're going to Stealth or whether we're going to Inferno, but we're vaguely going in this direction, so we'll have to see. Inferno is good. I do like Inferno. It's not as good as Nemesis, but it's still a good coaster, and it's one that I do like to do when we come to Thorpe. Now, however, it is time for Peter to get his first ride of the day because we're heading onto the rapids. So, from the rapids, and I'm a little bit soggy around the back of the head. Oh, the wet one today. However, as wet as I am, I'm not entirely sure I'm quite as wet as Peter is. Hi
My
Peter.
bum's a bit wet.
Are you wet?
Yes.
You get soaked on that?
Yeah. Right on that bit, I looked over the other side.
Oh my God.
A ginormous wave was right in my face.
Oh dear.
And my name tag got soaked, so I got a new one.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, so soaking on the rapids, and now we're heading to Stealth. Could be a bit chilly. Ooh, walk on Stealth. Yes, please. How was Stealth, Tina?
Oh, Stealth was good. I enjoyed Stealth.
Cracking ride on Stealth. Right, and now
We're going to do a few Peter things.
we are going to go and do some Peter rides. So coming over to the Dodgems. You alright, Peter? Yeah. Going to do Dodgems. Awesome. Yeah, we've not actually managed to do many Peter rides yet, so we're going to do this.
Yeah.
How was the Dodgems, Peter? Good. Do you enjoy that? Is that funny? Ha ha ha. You crash a lot of people.
Yeah, I was trying to get you, but luckily I did smack you.
Yes, we noticed that. Fun though.
Yeah.
You have fun on the Dodgems there?
That was good, yeah, and I've just realised you can ride alone, but we didn't let him.
No, you can actually do it. Yeah, as always, a great laugh that. Oh, bridge is gone. No bridge, cross now.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello.
Hi.
What have you just been on?
Detonator.
Was it good fun?
Yeah.
You enjoy that?
Yeah. On the drop, I was like, hands in the air. Woo!
Oh my
The
god.
force was like, it was even taller than Nemesis Inferno.
What's it?
Yeah.
Ah, right.
Ian's made it stop.
Well, sun's back out and we've just come off Swarm, and that was running really nicely. That was good, yeah.
Yeah, enjoyed that. Apart from the idiot's queue jumping, pushing it. Getting off the ride and getting straight back on because they thought there were free seats. Yeah, great.
Yeah. Not great, but it happens.
It's alright.
Still a good ride.
Peter's hugging a support.
Why is Peter hugging a support?
Oh, wait, what?
I'll worry about that dog.
Showing swarms in love. Should we be worried?
Yes. Very concerning. You're right. Drake Man Teddy with a Chessington badge on it. That's so cool.
That's so cool.
And his name's Rory.
So, finishing the day with Coasterforce, Peter wins the prize for Best New Member and gets hold of Rory from Drake Manor. Yes!
With a little
with a pin badge, with a Chessington pin badge. That's so cool.
I know.
You had a good day, Peter?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to finish the day with a few rides on Flying Fish.
Yeah.
Awesome. How many laps will you just get on Flying Fish?
4.
4 laps on Flying Fish. Oh my god.
It was just only one right through the station.
Well, there was no queue, was there? There's nobody on it at all. Yeah.
Then there was a queue.
Yeah, there was a queue and it stopped. Oh. You had a good day today?
Yeah.
We've had a brilliant day today at Thorpe Park. It's been absolutely great. We've had some brilliant rides on pretty much every coaster in the park, and it's been really, really quiet. And with that, our day has unfortunately come to an end. Thank you very much to Coasterforce for organising this event. It's been great today. We've had a really good time, and it was really good to meet lots of new people. You had a good day today, Tina?
Yeah, it has been really good. We've got on everything. We've got on all the coasters and some flat rides. We're just going to rush for a last ride on that, I think.
And so with that, it's time for us to go. So until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.